Do you often wish the HubSpot Workflows tool could be more powerful? Want to be able to create more complex workflows around marketing, service, and sales actions? Well, now you can. You know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, folks. Now live in HubSpot, the ability to use branching logic in companies, tickets, and deals. What's a job? All right, let's get serious. You might be wondering, what the heck is it? Well, if you have workflows, you can now add if-then branches in company, tickets, and deal-based workflows. They work the same way as if-then branches in contact-based workflows. Now, you also might be wondering, why the heck is this important? Well, as new workflow types go live, HubSpot is also adding the functionality that's available in contact-based workflows to them, so you can have the same power in those areas. As a HubSpot user, using branching in workflows helps sales, marketing, and service professionals create powerful logic and streamline what would have been multiple workflows in one single place. Who gets it? Well, the good thing is Sales Pro, Service Hub Pro, and Marketing Pro, as well as all enterprise users, get this, and it's available in all languages. Hey, do you like this update? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right to our private Facebook group where you can carry on the conversation. Also, while you're on the interwebs, check out our Facebook and our YouTube channel where you can, watch more videos, hit the bells, the likes, the subscribes, all those things so we know that you're part of the community. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio or /video to get to our podcast. And do you need training past this update? That's what we do. Check the description below. Hey, 1 and 2 day workshops. Make sure you check out this new functionality with the if-then branch logic in your HubSpot workflows. Make sure you're a happy, helpful human, and make sure you do some happy HubSpotting.